So you've seen an ad for thecatisn.com offering tiny clothes at super low prices, and now you're wondering, is it a steal or just a straight up scam? Let's talk about it. But before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and opinion. Thecatisn.com looks like your average fashion site, but the red flags pop up quickly. The domain is very new, there's barely any background on who runs it, and product photos seem generic or pulled from other sites. On Reddit, users have already started questioning whether it's real or a scam, especially because of they haven't received their orders or even confirmation emails. As of now, thecatisn.com doesn't have a Trustpilot profile or any verified reviews on major platforms. That lack of transparency is a warning sign. Right now, thecatisn.com seems sketchy with no trusted reviews and a new website. It's probably safer to skip this one unless more proof shows up. Stick to sellers with a solid online track record. If you bought from thecatisn.com, let us know how it went, and as always, stay smart while shopping online. Your money's worth protecting.